Hello, healers. Hello, warriors. Welcome back to my platforms. Whether you are listening to this on the Prepared Patient podcast or you're watching the video format of this episode on YouTube, I am super grateful. I want to say thank you for all of you that are subscribed, share the episodes, downloaded the podcast, or actually spend time out of your busy schedule to come back every single week or twice per week whenever we have an episode released to listen to it. Thank you so much. I woke up this morning feeling so grateful with all the things that I have in my life, for all the people that have been supporting us. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, this episode is about the continuation of the IV vitamin therapy promotion that we have running right now for March 2024. The promotion will end March 22nd, 2024. And I want to not only show you guys, demonstrate to you guys like how it is when it comes to healing your body, right? Because many of us think we can just take a pill and that's it. That is like the farthest from the truth. Taking a pill will not give you the healing or the results that you're looking for. You have to go outside of taking a pill. You have to look at all the tools and the resources that you have available to you to get your body to where you need it to be, right? Because now, in the age that we live now, in the world that we live now, in the centuries that we live now, it requires more than one tool to heal your body. It requires more than one thing to heal your body. Yes, you can eat all the nutritious food, and as you should. Yes, you can eat all the organic food, and you should. But if I'm being honest with you, yes, organic or not, we're still exposed to contaminants. We are still exposed to herbicides, pesticides, and it is very important that you know that there are some things that you have to do actively, right, to put your body into a state of active, detox, or even with the IV vitamin therapy to kind of enhance and maximize your healing potential. With me and IV vitamin therapy, I always knew this tool is so powerful because that is the first thing that we do in the emergency room when patients come in on a stretcher. We just start infusing plain fluid. But now adding the vitamins and adding the nutrients to the bag, it's even more powerful. Okay, so what I decided to do to kind of educate many of you guys that are not aware of the healing potentials or the possibilities of healing tenfold when you incorporate IV vitamin therapy to your own program or whatever you're implementing right now, to your protocols, to whatever you're doing at home as an add-on tool or as just a lone tool. Because for me, I'm using IVs. Of course, I eat healthy. I really, really, really pay all attention to the food that I'm putting into my body. I eat healthy. Eating healthy is so important to me. But I'm also aware that eating healthy is not the only thing I need to do to really feel my best, right? To get rid of the energy, to get rid of the brain fog, to have brighter skin, to have growing hair, to really feel the best that I can possibly feel, right? Because we know that we are not perfect. Nobody has the perfect health. But the goal every day for me and also for my patient is to wake up in the morning feeling the difference, right? Like I felt different than yesterday. Okay. Or if I am sluggish and tired, I need to go back and see what I did, the day before. Incorporating IV vitamin therapy, whether it's a high dose vitamin C to boost your immune system for cancer support, to decrease inflammation, for tissue rejuvenation, for collagen production, or the antiviral with all the powerful tools, with all the powerful vitamins that we put in that bag to decrease viral loads, to, help you fight a cold, help you fight, COVID or whatever the viruses that are out there, or chelation therapy or chelation therapy to kind of remove heavy metal toxicity out of your cells, removing environmental toxicity out of your cells, the food that we eat that came with contaminants. The chelation can literally help your cells cleanse, right? Cleaning them in such a powerful way where they can revive and repair and rejuvenate. Again, the body can heal itself. The body can fix itself. The body can do so many amazing things. We have to support it, okay? And when I say supporting it, I'm not saying for you to take a medication. Yes, we can take the medication for however long you choose to. Even with the medication, you should always look at ways to remove the chemicals out of your body, whether it's increasing your hydration with the super hydration or chelation therapy to remove the chemicals, or enhancing it with B vitamins like the Energizer IV for all of us that are tired and fatigued, have fibromyalgia. Like there's so many things you can do. And sometimes I am seeing that people are not aware, right? They're not aware of all the tools and all the resources, right? We grew up in a medical world where, pill for the ill, you got to go see a doctor, and then the number one thing they'll do for you is prescribing. That used to be me. But are you aware there are other things you can do? There are other powerful things you can do that can give you similar result, if not better, than what the pill can give you. And that's what I want to bring to you. That's what I want to open your eyes to, is the IV vitamin therapy. So I decided to, for the next few days, right, I'm going to be releasing my special formulation and IVs. I'm literally recording a few of them. I'm recording they are short and brief. I'm going to post them on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know what's in the high dose vitamin C, I'm talking about what these things have, because every single drip or every single hydration, every single formulation is different. They all have a key ingredient that others don't have. For instance, you might look at the Energizer IV and the super hydration, the antiviral. They all look the same. The bag looks the same, right? It's because we put B vitamins in all of them, because B vitamins act as a precursor for the processes to take place in your body, for healing to take place in your body, right? That's why many of us go and purchase multivitamins that have B vitamins in them. But when you look at those three bags that I just mentioned, you might say, well, Dr. J, what's the difference? They all look the same. They are red, they are yellow, like there's no difference, right? Guess what? There's a difference, because the key ingredients are different in every single one of them. So I decided to record a few videos where I'm, outlining or profiling, is that the word, or showing you guys the key ingredients in every single one of them. So if you want to know which vitamins has what, which vitamin might be the perfect vitamins for you, then you can head over to our YouTube channel, and I'm gonna start releasing those little tiny mini scripts for you to videos for you to look at, and you can not only educate yourself to see, hey, maybe I need more multivitamins, or maybe I need the Energizer IV versus the super hydration, maybe I need the high dose vitamin C versus the hydrogen peroxide. Even the weight loss drips, I'm also telling you what I put in it. I have secret sauce, secret ingredients in all of them. And that's why when people come into our clinic, they receive a drip, they feel better. They feel better within days. Okay? They feel better within days. And that's why I always encourage people to do more than one, because if you feel, a little bit of energy within days, imagine how you'll feel if you were to come and take more and infuse yourselves with more vitamins and minerals and keep getting those drip like I did on my journey. It is amazing. You're gonna feel like a zillion times better, right? And I understand there's also a financial component to it, but it is the best investment. It is one of the best investment you can make for your health, right? Because again, these things are going straight into your cells, straight into your body, bypassing the GI tract. So it's not like you digesting anything. You don't have to do anything. Just show up. And then we take care of you, right? Because we're in control of what we put into the bag. So I also recorded frequently asked questions as well. I'm going to put all this on my YouTube. So I'm saying this because, again, many of us don't know what IV vitamin therapy is. Many of us are afraid, or maybe you Googled it and you got some terrible, terrible information, like you're going to die and blah, 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 blah. And, and I'm laughing because I'm like, if you only knew how great these things are, like how powerful they are, and why the celebrities are doing them, why the government people, like, are doing them, why the CEOs are doing them, why the NFL players, I have NFL players that are actually receiving IVs before the game and after the game. And every time they train, you'll be like, oh my God, give me some. Okay. You don't know what you don't know. And if you open to receive and you open your mind to look for the things that you don't know, then it's gonna not only accelerate your results, but like opportunities will come your way. You'll find yourself decreasing what you're doing that's not working for you and embracing the things that could possibly work for you. Right? So we have to be open to receive. We have to be open to explore and learn. We cannot be closed-minded and just the thing that you know is the thing that you know. As a human being, we are evolving, we are growing every single day. At least I am. And that's how we become the best version of ourselves, right? IV vitamin therapy is not something you should pass on. IV vitamin therapy is not something you should dismiss because it's not covered by insurance, or because you can just go to the store and purchase a multivitamin, because you can go to the store and purchase vitamin C. Because if these things were like giving you the results, then a lot of us will not be sick, right? We'll all be healing and we'll be strong, we'll be powerful, like we'll be thriving. That's not the case. I see so often people come to our clinic with bags and bags of multivitamins, bags and bags of multivitamins. And I ask them, like, which one of the vitamins are working for you? Unfortunately, they can't tell me because they don't know. They are taking so many vitamins and they are feeling no results, no improvement. They are seeing nothing. IV vitamin therapy can help you. Yes, you have to go to a clinic that specializes in it. You have to invest. You have to really like go full on force with the IVs. You cannot just do one bag and let me try one bag, because you might not see anything with one bag. It depends on your deficiencies, depends on your toxicity level, depend on your inflammation, depends on the infections that are dormant and silent into your body. IV vitamin therapy is gonna do what it's gonna do. But if you have a cup that is empty, right? Like I have this cup here that's empty, there's nothing in it, and I put one, and then I need to fill it up to fill your best, and I only do one bag of IV vitamin therapy in that cup, how much is it gonna give me? You might not feel a thing. And you might that's why I tell people, if you feel nothing, that means you need to continue. If you feel something, then you wanna um increase that feeling, you need to continue. You cannot just act like, oh, it's just, I don't it's nothing. Yes, I know sometimes we have to be uncomfortable to get our results. That's where the, drive into a facility and allow somebody to insert a catheter or a needle into your arm. But again, what are you willing to do for your health? Right? Like I'm always doing uncomfortable things for myself every single time. I'm always stretching myself every single time because I know the healing, the results, the improvement that I'm looking for are outside of me being comfortable. They are. Like if you stay in your comfort zone, you're gonna continue getting exactly what you're getting now, the results that you're getting now. Even if I'm feeling good, I'm looking for things to improve. I'm like, okay, what else can I improve? I'm feeling good. Where can I put my focus? And that's the mindset we need to have when it comes to healing our bodies. We cannot just sit and be like, oh, I'm just going to take this pill and then continue doing what I'm doing. No, that's how we become, chained to the pill. We have a knuckle around our knuckle. We have it in our knuckles because the pills are literally keeping us, prisoners. If you want to break free, you got to look for other things that could possibly give you the results. Yes, IV vitamin therapy might be one of them, right? Because there are so many things out there. So many things out there. When I work with a patient that is like patient and willing to explore and willing to do the things that I'm asking them to do, and they're not giving me they're not resistant. So they're not resistant and they're open to receive, they're open to implement the recommendations and suggestions. They do so well. That's how we have so many reviews, because again, what is the alternative? Right? Continue doing what you're doing and taking the pill. What is the alternative? Even if you're taking the pill, it's not to bash on the pill, because we do prescribe here as needed in our clinic here in Denver, New Jersey. Wellness Corner in Denver, New Jersey, we prescribe, but we don't keep you on the pill. We're always giving you options. We're always giving you, recommendation suggestions. As if you choose to do them, that's fine. But with IV vitamin therapy, I'm going to be releasing those videos. You can head over to our YouTube channel. You should see the link in the show notes below. If you're already watching me on YouTube, then click on the notification, subscribe, because more videos going to come out about my specific formulations for every single IVs. And remember, the promotion is going to end in March 22nd. Excuse me, March 22nd, when you can choose any IVs of your choice. Any IV of your choice, whether it's the weight loss IV, the high-dose vitamin C IV, the antiviral IV, hydrogen peroxide IV, chelation IV, superhydration IV, energizer IV, I said already, postnatal IV, prenatal IV. I'm doing a whole video about that because it's ridiculous how our pregnant mamas are not feeding their cells and the fetus or the unborn child the nutrients that they need. Like if you do IVs while you're pregnant, oh my God, your baby's gonna come out so strong. I'm a testimonial to this because that's what I did when I had my baby. My baby girl, she's 2.5 now. I did IVs only. And they are safe. Again, you just have to go to a place. You just have to deal with someone that knows what they're doing. Because they are so safe that, we follow up with you, we ask you questions, like we have a whole process going. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. And if IV vitamin therapy is something you or consider doing, even if you don't know anything about it, you're willing to learn, again, head over to our head over to our YouTube channel. Dr. Jennifer Genty, you'll see the YouTube link below. And twice in the upcoming weeks, I'm going to be releasing the short, brief videos for you to learn. If you have any questions whatsoever, you're still not sure, you have questions and you worry about it, you're afraid something's going to happen to you, reach out to us, right? You can give us a call, you can send us an email. We're always here to help you. We're always to help you make the best decision for you. All right, so thank you so much for watching this on YouTube or listening to this on the Prepared Patient Podcast. I can't wait to see you here in our clinic to receive the IV. I promise you we'll make a formulation that's gonna be very rewarding, right? That's gonna where you're gonna see some results. All right. Right, so I will continue to ask that you subscribe, that you share this video with all the people you think that might be that might need it, specifically those that are keep getting sick with frequent cold, frequent sinus infections, frequent urinary tract infections, frequent yeast infections. That says a lot about the immune system. You can boost your immune system while you do other things, while you are working with your practitioners to identify the root cause. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, don't forget the promotion end March 22nd, 2024. That's the last day. You can call and schedule your drip. And again, it's pick any IV for $250 except for the NAD and ozone therapy. All right, so educate yourself on the tools and the resources, and I'm gonna be there to be part of this journey to really give you the information and for you to decide. All right, so you have a fantastic rest of your day, night, evening, whenever you're hearing this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.